So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 20 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic social justice. So guys, this video will be about true religion and divine love. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, selling the needy for a pair of shoes in Amos means A. Trade by barter, B. Exchanging the needy for shoes, C. Oppressing the needy, D. Evaluating human beings with material things. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, evaluating human beings with material things. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So guys, the next question we have here is question number 2. It says, Dash was opposed Amos during the preaching of his message on social justice and true religion. We have A. The king of Judah, B. Amaziah, C. The king of Bethel, D. Uzziah. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, Amaziah. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. We have here question number 3. It says, even though you make many prayers, I will not listen. Why will God, the Holy One of Israel, not listen? So guys, here we have options A, because they sacrifice with incense to him, B, because God detests their burnt offerings of rams, C, because their hands are full of blood, D, because their new moon gifts are a burden to him. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, because their hands are full of blood. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So we have here question number 4. It says, the sin of Israel which profaned the name of the Lord in the time of Prophet Amos was A. Trampling the head of the poor into the dust, B. Turning the house of the Lord to a market, C. Selling their children into slavery, D. Selling of strangers for silver and gold. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, trampling the head of the poor into the dust. So let's head on to the next question, guys. We have here question number 5. It says, according to Amos, true religion entails A. Engaging in sacrifices and burnt offerings, B. Fasting and praying always, C. Engaging in holy feasts and assemblies, D. Being just and righteous. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, being just and righteous. And that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. So guys, the next question we have here is question number 6. It says, Amos is often referred to as a prophet of A. Love, B. Justice, C. Doom, D. Hope. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, that's justice. And that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. So we have here question number 7. It says, but let justice roll down like waters and righteousness like an overflowing stream. Amos' statement above suggests that the society was terribly A. Abusive, B. Vindictive, C. Destructive, D. Oppressive. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, that's oppressive. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So we have here question number 8. It says, hear this word, you cows of Bashan, who oppress the poor, who crush the needy. Cows of Bashan in the statement above refers to the A. Judges in Israel, B. False prophets, C. Wicked kings, D. Women of Samaria. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's women of Samaria. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So over here is question number 9. It says, the statement, all men are equal before the law, implies the teaching of which of the following prophets? We have A. Amos, B. Hosea, C. Jeremiah, D. Isaiah. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's Amos. So let's move on to the next question, guys. Here is question number 10. It says, Hosea's message to Israel is centered on A. Divine love, B. Divine punishment, C. The day of judgment, D. Social justice. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. That's divine love. So let's consider the next question, guys. Over here is question number 11. It says, God compared Israel to a harlot because she A. followed after other gods, B. was unrepentant, C. continuously disobeyed him, D. was worthless like the harlots. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. followed after other gods. And that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here is question number 12. It says, for I desire steadfast love and not sacrifice. This statement relates to the A. message of God's love to man, B. response of God's love to the children of Israel, C. response of Israel to the genuineness of God's love, D. message of Hosea on faithfulness and social progress. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's the message of Hosea on faithfulness and social progress. So let's consider the next question, guys. So we have here question number 13. It says, the main lesson of Hosea's teaching is that God, A. will pour his spirit on all flesh, B. prefers steadfast love to sacrifice, C. accepts every free will offering, D. will create a new heart in his people. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. God prefers steadfast love to sacrifice, according to the lesson in Hosea's teaching. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So here is question number 14. It says, true religion in Christianity emphasizes the importance of A. isolation from the world, B. rigid adherence to traditions, C. unity among believers, D. material wealth and prosperity. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's unity among believers. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So the next question we have here is question number 15. It says, Amos declared that the Jews who built houses of hewn stone would not dwell in them because they A. worshipped other gods, B. trampled upon the poor, C. swore falsely, D. persecuted the prophets. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. They trampled upon the poor. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Here's question number 16. It says, Amos told the Israelites that they have turned justice into A. injustice, B. poison, C. anguish, D. wormwood. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. That's wormwood. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So we have question number 17 here. It says, according to Amos, God desires knowledge of him rather than A. the multitudes of prophets, B. burnt offerings, C. fervent prayers, D. dependency on the law. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. That's burnt offering. And that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. We have question number 18 here. It says, the prophet whose main concern was social justice was A. Amos, B. Obadiah, C. Joel, D. Hosea. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. That's Amos. So let's head on to the next question. So here is question number 19 of 20. It says, Prophet Amos told Israel to hate evil, love good, and establish justice, indicates that God would A. heal their diseases, B. multiply their descendants, C. be gracious to them, D. give them good leaders. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. And that's it for this question. Let's consider the next and last question, guys. So guys, here is question number 20 of 20. It says, come, let us return to the Lord, for he has done that he may heal us. He has stricken, and he will bind us up. This call is to encourage A. Response to the need of the nation. B. Social justice and true religion. C. Concern for one's nation. D. Response to God's love. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. That's response to God's love. And that's it for this question, guys. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.